That's not what we're going to be focusing about today. Today we're going to be focusing about my puppets. You may think, Daniel, you're so old and you have puppets. How ridiculous. And I have a bunch of toys too, you know. So they bring me back to the past where I could just play my toys. I still do that sometimes because I lose memories. Yeah. My first puppet is this one. His voice is like this. Hey. I'm like, And he laughs like this. Hilarious. Jeez. Wow. That was just hilarious. Can I leave now? Sure. Yeah, bye. Well, that was Dino. He's the more like sarcastic type. He's more like, yeah, you know, his voice is down. And I have a bunch of other ones too. I have a bird. He's dope. Yeah, I'm dope. Dope. This is flying through the air tonight. Sweat. Is that it? No. I want to sing some more, but you don't want me to. The thing I say is horrible. Go, hoo, hoo. What was that last part? Go, hoo, hoo. No, the other last part. Sweat. Yeah, sweet. Who's next? It's one the energetic type. Hippity hoppity, skippity boppity. Oh, you know those birds. They like mock you all the time. I know, they mock you all the time, Daniel. You're just so pathetic. It was hilarious just then. The difference between Daniel's voice is this. He goes, yes, hilarious, yeah, huh. His voice is more high, like this, huh. That's more the type, you know. We have Penguin over here. Hey guys, wait.